Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to unbox my new Reebok shoes, the Pump. Beautifully packed in a nice black box. You can see the logo printed over here with a shining silver color, the Pump. Okay, so it is US 8 and usually I wear 8 or 7.5, depends on shoe. And it is especially for training purpose, like made in China, having this barcode, and it's a black and flat gray. So let's open the box now. So you can see a hole here. Put your finger and like okay, we'll keep it aside. And now we'll unwrap it, and here what we have got, the Pump. Okay, now let's talk about this sole first. You can see it's a rubber sole and quite flexible. So as it is meant for training purpose, it must be flexible. You can do it like this, you can twist it all around, and here at the bottom you can see the logo of Reebok also. And now let's talk about the material of the shoe. Here you can see it is a kind of knit material, pretty padded, and while wearing you will have so much comfort. Jump into the next part. This, and these are the laces, same like Nike Air. You can tie it according to your foot size, like it is adjustable. Okay, and this wrap will keep your feet steady at its place. You can see the length here, it is totally up to the end of your feet. It will give you more flexibility, like here you can see it is pretty flexible. Here it is not that much flexible. It has the other reason, I'll tell you why. Actually from here to here it has a panel, and with this little button you can pump air inside. Like this, I'll show you. When you'll press this, it is inflating inside. There's a panel which is inflating, and after wearing the shoe, when you will inflate it, it will hold your leg steady. Okay, now let's check out this little button here, small button which you will press and it will release the air which is inside. So whenever you want, you can inflate it with this button, and you can deflate it by pressing this. I can feel it in my fingers. Okay, like this. Okay, so overall I'll tell it's a good shoe. The left pair, I have right pair here. So investing 10,000 Indian rupees for this shoe is not a bad deal, and after all, it's a Reebok. Hey guys, if you have any questions, just ask it in the comment section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video.